A family is like a cake by Shona. Our family is the people we feel we belong to. Families are the people who think about us and remember us and watch us as we grow and change. Families are the people who help us feel we belong. When we are with our family, wherever we might be in the world, we feel like we are home. Families can help you feel you belong, even when you are apart from them. Families give us help, support, and love. Growing up in a family is a lot like making a fabulous cake. Cakes can be different shapes and sizes and have different flavours, colours, and layers. That's because cakes are made up of many different ingredients, which are then mixed together in careful ways and baked to create something truly delicious and amazing. A family is a bit like a cake. Families come in different shapes and different sizes. Some are sweet and some can be a bit spicy. Some have extra ingredients and some just have a few. Some families are warm and gooey or cool and firm, and some can be totally different. It takes a special combination of ingredients to make a good cake. It takes a special combination of ingredients to make a family too. Each family has its own ingredients, its own kind of love, and its own rules, which is why every family is different. Families can share the tough times, help you learn from mistakes, and encourage you when you might feel a little bit flat. Families also help celebrate wonderful moments and give you opportunities to do the things you might never do with others. Each ingredient in a cake adds something special, and each member of a family adds something special too. Families have people, traditions, games, and stories that hold them together. They have rules and they have laughter. Sometimes the ingredients are the same, and sometimes we mix it up a little bit. Sometimes a family might share a name, and sometimes people with different names can make up a wonderful family. There is no right or wrong type of cake, and there is no right or wrong type of family. It doesn't really matter where the family lives or how big they are. When they work together, they are oh so good. You are a very important part of your family mix. You might even belong in different ways to different parts of your family. When we are making a delicious cake, it's important that we give it the right support it needs until it is quite ready. Without support, things can get a bit messy. While we are growing, we need help and support from others. Our families keep a watchful eye on us. They support us by setting limits and telling us what to do so that we can stay safe and turn out to be amazing. It doesn't really matter how the support looks, as long as it's the right kind of support for us. A family's love, traditions, rules and laughter can hold the family together, even if things get wobbly. Cakes don't always turn out the way that we hope. Some families might need some extra help to get things to work out. As we get older, families mean different things to us. We might start thinking about forming our own part of the family, adding a special other person, choosing our own mix, and making a whole new family batch. Everyone has different ideas about what type of cake is best. The best kind of family cake is one that has loving ingredients, kind support, and some help if things get too sticky. Families can be the making of us. Families can be the treat you have every day. Yum! Delicious!